Okay, boys and girls, so we want to arrange this set of numbers in the descending order. So we remember that if we're talking about the descending order, the D in descending is talking about down. So we're coming from our biggest number to our smallest number. So what's the first thing we need to do? We need to look at all the numbers starting from the left to the right. So if we look at the first number, we have a 1, 19 million. 19 million in the second number, 18 million in the third number, and 19 million in the fourth number. So each of the numbers start with a 1, right? So because all the ones are the same, we can go to the second column in the 10 million column, in the millions column. So we have a 9, an 8, and a 9. Now, we want to start with the highest and then coming down, which means that this one here is the smallest number. So we can leave that for last. So now we look at the first, second, and fourth number. We look at the next column, the hundreds, thousands column. We've got a 7, a 9, and a 6. Of those three, which is the highest? It's this one. So this number is going to be my first in my descending order. It's the highest number. Okay, so I'm done with the second number. I can move on to my next, the number that's just a little lower. So again, we'll start with 1, 9. We're looking at the first number at the top and the bottom number, right? So I've got 1, 9, then I've got 7 at the top, and I've got 6. So it's obvious that my top number there will come next. So this is the second number. Okay. And then obviously we said that the 18 million number comes last, which leaves the fourth one here, the third one here, and then that one would be last. And when I write them out in full. I leave spaces between my millions and my thousands, and I write each number clearly. And I separate them using a semicolon. What does a semicolon look like? It's a dot and a comma at the bottom. Also, between each number, leave a full finger space so that you're not mixing them up. Also, we want to talk about, we discussed today how to read these numbers. And for the first one, we have, if there's 6 digits at the back, it's millions, right? You know it's a million number. So I've got 19 at the top, and I've got 6 digits behind that. So it's 19,742,381. Then I have 19,983,465. Then I have 18,947,297. And the last one is 19,674,982. So that was the descending order, starting with the highest one, coming down to the lowest number. For ascending order, you're going to start with the lowest one, the 18,000, and work your way to get bigger each time.